Hey, hi. So this is a video regarding our new Google Sheet add-on called OntoSecureSheets. Okay. So one of the main use cases, for example, we created this sheet, right? Important salary information, and I already shared it with a third-party user, right? Called rpraveen.engineer. Okay. So the problem is that user can able to see this column, SSN column, right? But you may want to protect this column alone, so that this third-party user can edit other fields. Okay. So the existing thing, what we can do is we can simply click on this button and click hide column, right? It hides for you and for the third party user as well. But the problem is the third party user can click on this button and can see the secured column. Okay. So this is the existing problem. Okay. So what we did is we created a new extension called OntoSecureSheets. So I already installed it. Here's an extension called hide and protect columns. Click on this one, hide and protect, and you need to provide a column name and the authorized user email. Okay, the column name is SSL and the authorized user email, this user, right? Onto Bond Gmail. Okay, so only ontobond at gmail.com can view this data. Okay. Click submit. So this column will be hidden, right? Okay, now if I go here, the third party user, see, it's already hidden. If this user tries to open it, we show this pop-up here. Okay, you're trying to edit the product Excel, please contact the spreadsheet owner. Okay. So they cannot view the SSN details, but they can edit other data, right? Call test one or maybe one, and they can fill the remaining columns. Okay. Once they filled out, you can simply revoke their access, and you can simply open this part, or you can go to extension, hide and protect, click reset. Okay, all columns protection has been removed successfully. And now, if you try to hide the column and go to third party user, they can click on it and view the data. Okay. So we are requesting an access to 3 scopes, right? For the spreadsheet, right? We can ability to read and edit. Edit is nothing but hiding columns. And second is for container UI for this part, right? And the third one is for email, because based on this email, right? Okay. So we are double checking based on this authorized email. Okay. So that's why we are accessing these 3 scopes. That's all. Thank you.